Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday evening, August 28th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Mission IR News Breaks, Lantern Pharma Inc., NASDAQ LTRN, advances predictive power in cancer drug development. Lantern Pharma Inc., NASDAQ LTRN, has introduced a new AI module to predict the effectiveness of cancer treatment combinations involving DNA-damaging agents and DNA damage response inhibitors. Integrated into the RADR platform, this technology enhances the company's data-driven approach to oncology drug development. By personalizing cancer treatments based on molecular and genetic profiles, Lantern Pharma aims to improve clinical success rates. Leveraging over 200 billion oncology data points, Lantern's AI platform accelerates drug development, advancing programs to first-in-human trials in 2 to 3 years at approximately $2.5 million per program. For more information, visit Lantern Pharma's newsroom at http://ibn.f/ltrn. Biomed News Breaks, Oncotelic Therapeutics OTLC, showcases pipeline and CEO's intellectual property legacy. Oncotelic Therapeutics Inc. showcased its oncology pipeline and CEO Dr. Wang Trio's extensive intellectual property legacy, with over 500 filed and 75 issued patents. The company's portfolio includes OT-101 in Phase 3 for pancreatic cancer, OXI-4503 advancing toward Phase 3 in AML-MDS, and multiple other programs. Oncotelic focuses on building value through differentiated biotechnology assets with strong competitive barriers. For more information, visit Oncotelic's website. The PREVENT equations can improve personalized care for adults with high BP. Using the predicting risk of cardiovascular disease events, equations can provide more accurate risk estimates and support personalized treatment for adults with high blood pressure or hypertension. The equations, recommended in the 2025 AHCC High Blood Pressure Guideline, estimate 10 and 30-year risk for total cardiovascular disease, including ASCVD and heart failure. The calculator considers factors like BMI, blood pressure, diabetes, and social factors to personalize care. The new equations include information on kidney and metabolic disease, offering a more comprehensive risk prediction. The goal is to tailor preventive care for longer, healthier lives, emphasizing that risk from high blood pressure is modifiable. The scientific statement highlights the importance of integrating the PREVENT equations into holistic risk assessment to better support patients' needs. Biomed News Breaks, HeartBeam Inc., profiled on credit card-sized device that synthesizes 12-lead ECG. HeartBeam Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BEAT, is featured in an article by Susan Shepard for MD+DI, showcasing their credit card-sized ECG device that synthesizes a full 12-lead output. Cleared by the FDA in December, this portable system allows patients to get hospital-level arrhythmia evaluation on the go. CEO Rob Eno explained how the device captures signals from different directions and converts them into a 12-lead ECG. HeartBeam is awaiting FDA clearance for their algorithm this year. The coverage also mentions their partnership with Acrocardia for automated rhythm interpretation. Patients can use the app for routine or symptom-triggered recordings, with data sent to cardiologists as needed. HeartBeam plans to focus on preventive cardiology and concierge practices, with ongoing research to expand adoption and demonstrate cost-effectiveness.
Biomed News Breaks, HeartBeam Inc. NASDAQ beat to present at 3 September investor conferences. HeartBeam Inc., a medical technology company focused on transforming cardiac care, will be presenting at 3 investor conferences in September. CEO Robert Eno and CFO Timothy Cruikshank will attend the MDB Investor Summit 2025, HRX Live 2025, and the H.C. Wainwright 27th Annual Global Investment Conference. They will provide updates on the company's commercialization progress, including demonstrations of the FDA-cleared HeartBeam system. This cable-free device collects 3D ECG signals for arrhythmia assessment. HeartBeam is dedicated to transforming the detection and monitoring of critical cardiac conditions with its innovative technology. The company's 3D ECG technology received FDA clearance for arrhythmia assessment in December 2024, and the 12-lead ECG synthesis software is under FDA review. Study explains why blood clotting is common in IBD patients. A recent study has found that individuals with irritable bowel disease, IBD, often develop blood clots, leading to serious health issues like strokes and heart attacks. The research conducted by Utah University offers insight into why this occurs and proposes potential solutions to reduce inflammation and prevent clotting. This discovery brings hope for the development of effective treatments for IBD. Companies like Sologenics Inc., NASDAQ SNGX are actively working towards addressing this issue. With the prevalence of IBD on the rise in the U.S., this study sheds light on a critical aspect of the condition that could lead to significant advancements in treatment options. Investor news breaks: Izotropic Corporation, IZO, OTCQB, IZSF, 1R3. Integrates proprietary AI algorithm into breast CT imaging system. Izotropic Corporation announced the integration of its proprietary AI-based machine learning algorithm into its IzoView breast CT imaging system. Developed with the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine, the algorithm aims to enhance image quality while minimizing radiation doses. Unlike traditional denoising methods, Izotropic's approach tackles image noise at its source, potentially revolutionizing clinical efficiency in breast cancer screening. For more information, visit Izotropic's website at izocorp.com and review its profile on CDAR at cdarplus.ca.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.